In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variables. Merge fields in Proposify. Variables, also called merge fields, are placeholders that automatically pull the right details into your proposal, like a client's name, your company address, or a project date. They save time, reduce typos, and keep your documents consistent. Let's walk through how to add them. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Proposify. Use a trusted search engine and look for the official site, checking the URL and the padlock icon to make sure you're in the right place. Once you see the official Proposify result, click it to head to the site. Next, log in with your usual credentials. If your account uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, complete those prompts as well. After you log in, you'll land on the Documents tab. This is your hub for proposals and templates, and from here, you'll work with the content you're preparing. In the editor, find the text block where you want the variable to appear. This can be a paragraph, a heading, or even a cell inside a table. Click into the exact spot where the information should be inserted so your cursor is ready. Now select the variable's icon. You'll typically find it in the editor's toolbar. It may be labeled Variables or Merge Fields, and it opens a panel of predefined fields you can use. Browse through the categories such as Company, Client, and Proposal. Company fields usually pull from your organization's profile, like your company name or address. Client fields pull from your recipient's information, such as the client's first name, company, or email. Proposal fields pull from the specific document, like the proposal name or close date. When you find the field you want, click the copy icon next to it. This copies the merge field to your clipboard without inserting it yet. Return to your text block and paste. You'll see a placeholder surrounded by special formatting, indicating it's a variable. Leave the formatting exactly as it appears. That structure tells Proposify which data to pull. When the proposal is viewed or sent, Proposify will replace that placeholder with the real information from your company, client, or proposal details. A quick tip: make sure the corresponding details exist and are accurate in your account and on your proposal. If a client record is missing a name, that field won't populate correctly. You can repeat this process for as many fields as you need, keeping your document clean, personalized, and automatically up to date. That's it. Simple, reliable, and a huge time saver.